Hello, Sunil here. So in this video we are going to display the images on our web page on our browser. So how we have to use it? So for that, first we need the images. So what I done need, in my HTML folder I pasted 3 images. You have to do this before doing this practical. So I have 3 images. I will display one by one and I will show you the code how you have to use it. It's not difficult, it is very simple code. So I will explain it how you have to use this. So like the other programs, we have to type HTML heading and all the things, so I will type it before using image tag. Then we have head, we have title, and I show the title image and title here, and we close our head here, and I include body here. I close my body here and HTML here. So how we have to include our image? We use image element and image tag. So we have to type img at least one space. You can include more space, src equal to, then double quotes. So it is very important you have to use double quotes. Never ever skip this step. You have to use it, make it parameter for you, make it a procedure for you. Okay, then we have to go to the location where you have to save your images. So we have the images on the same folder where I'm going to save my HTML file. I use it image1. So my name is image space 1 and my file is .jpg. If you're unable to get the image type, what type of image file you have, you just right click here, go to the last option, properties. In the properties you will get the image name as well as extension .jpg. So I copied the name image1, image space 1 extension .jpg. So we have attributes. So here is the new terms include here attributes. So attributes are extensions that extend the more features of particular tags or elements. So here image tag just display the image, but I want to display the image with the specific dimensions. For example, I want to display the image in 400 pixel width and 500 pixel height. So I'm going to use width and height attributes as well as alt. So what is features of alt, I will explain later. So space, to use attribute you have to use at least one space. I included more spaces. Then I type width, so 400 px for pixel space, then height, then 500 pixel alt, and I gave the name is image 1. So alt is the alternate text. When your image is not working, it's not displayed, then it will display the alternate text instead of your image. So that is alt. We save it our file. I give the file name is image.html. I save this here. I go to my location, that is HTML, and this is my file image.html. I'm not give us good syntax because my HTML, I typed it HTML, here is a htmt, so I make it L at the center, so it make it right. So I open with Mozilla, so show you my text, my image. So this is my image with width of 400 pixel and 500 height. I'm going to use this, my whole image of the width size is 100%, and now use that my image should be displayed 100% of the web browser or the screen. So I use percentage instead of pixel. So 100% means screen and the size of the browser. If the web size of browser size becomes full, it will automatically become 100%. It will use the whole width of my browser, that is 100%. Height is 500 pixels. So I save it, I refresh it, so you can see it, it will make it 100%. okay, you got it. The next one is alt. So I gave the wrong name here, so 6 is not image 6, so image 6 is not here in my folder, so it will not display my image, but it will show the alternate text, that is image 1. I save it here, refresh it, so it will show the alternate name, that is image 1. So that is the main and use of alternate, alt. So I make it image 1. So I reuse the code, I copy this and I paste it here and paste it here. I want to use 3 images, so I go to the folder, where is my images, image 2, image 3. So I know there is a JPG, I just change the image's name and then JPG, so it will display it with the same configuration what I write it here, image 2 and image 3, all the code is same. If you want to change the height and width, you can change it. So I'm not going to change, I will make it same. I save it here and go to my browser and I refresh it, so you can see the whole images one by one. You can see and watch it one by one. Okay, you got it. If you want to use 100% height as well, so it will utilize the 100% size of our screen. So I refresh it, so 100% height as well as width. So maybe you got it, all the things in image tags. Thanks for watching this, and we will meet you in the next tutorial. Thanks.